Good morning, children. So, today we are here with the next chapter in GK of 7th standard, class 7, that is grasslands. Okay, chapter number 15. Sorry, not 15, chapter number 14, that is grasslands. So, grasslands are basically, large area, where you'll find deep rooted grasses, okay, where the piece of land you may call, and no, not piece of land, I would say. It's an area which is entirely covered with grasses. So, let's see. Large areas covered with deep rooted grasses are called grasslands. Grasslands have few scattered trees. Okay, they do not have so much of trees. Okay, they'll have few कहीं कहीं पे trees पाए जाते हैं. Given below are some questions on grasslands. Try and answer them using the given clues. So let's take the help of clues given above and let's write the answers in each blank. First question, what are the grasslands in cool parts of world called? So what is that particular grassland called, children? That particular grassland is termed as prairies. 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 Okay. So come to you know what, you'll be studying in geography also different types of grasslands. Okay, so come to question number 2. Prairies, or you can prairies or steppes also. Okay, question number 2, the grasslands in North America that have tall grasses, what are these grasslands called? So the grasslands of North America is called as prairies. Don't get confused. जो कूल पार्ट में वर्ल्ड के कूल पार्ट में जो ग्रासलैंड्स पाए जाते हैं या उनको या तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, उनको या तो प्रेरीज या फिर स्टेपीज बोल सकते हैं, दोनों में से कोई भी, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द एरिया, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच प्लेस दे आर फाउंड. ओके, लेकिन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, द ग्रासलैंड्स विच आर फाउंड इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका and have tall grasses, so that particular grassland is termed as prairies. 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 Question number 3, what are the grasslands of Russia called? रशिया में जो ग्रासलैंड पाए जाते हैं उस ग्रासलैंड को क्या बोलते हैं? द ग्रासलैंड इज टर्म्ड एज स्टेपीज. STEPPES. स्टेपीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, what are the grasslands of South America called? साउथ अमेरिका में जो ग्रासलैंड पाए जाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? पैम्पस. PAMPAS. पैम्पस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, where are the grasslands called well located? Now we had read about so many grasslands, prairies, steppes, pampas. उसी तरीके से well जो है वो भी एक टाइप का ग्रासलैंड होता है. and where is it located, children? It is located in South Africa. Question number 6, which grasslands are always found in warm or hot climates where the annual rainfall ranges from 50.8 to 127 centimeter? So by the amount of rainfall we can say that the place is hot place. So where is that, which grassland is it? So the name of the grassland is savanna. 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 Question number 7, what are the grasslands which shorter grass is usually called? उन ग्रासलैंड को जो जहाँ पे छोटे छोटे ग्रास पाए जाते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? दोज आर टर्म्ड एज स्टेपीज. STEPPES. स्टेपीज. वेराज जो ग्रासलैंड जहाँ पे लंबे ग्रास पाए जाते हैं they are termed as prairies. We have already discussed in question number 2 if you remember then. Yeah. Now come to question number 8. Name one kind of grass found in moist areas in North America. Moist means full of moisture. So what is that grass termed as? Wild rye. Come to question number 9. Where does slow grass grow? It grows in marshland. 10th, when did European pioneers first see the American prairies? कब उन्होंने देखा था? In the 19th century. Which grass is the most common of all grasses found in grasslands all over the world? So the answer is meadow grass. meadow grass, meadow क्या होती है? grazing grass जिसको बोलते हैं, जिस grass को cattles graze करते हैं, तो that is termed as meadow grass. Question number 12. Name one prairie flower. The answer is coneflower. 13th. Savannas are tropical grasslands. Where are they situated? So they are situated in Africa. Name the cereal native to South America and growing in grasslands. It reached the rest of the world only after the continent was discovered. The answer is maize. M-A-I-Z-E, maize. Now, name the species of elephant which was once found in steppes but is now extinct. You know, ये elephant की तरह ही दिखने वाले थे. They had long, you can say, tusk with long hair. Elephant does not have long hair on its body. Okay, so this particular species, it used to resemble just like an elephant, but it wasn't an elephant. So what is that particular species, children? That particular species is mammoth. M-A-M-M-O-T-H, mammoth. Question number 16. Name the grassland where the bison is typically found. Bison is animal. Okay, so it is found in prairies. What are the cowboys that tend to cattle in the pampas called? उन cowboys को क्या बोलते हैं जो cattle graze करते हैं pampas में? So they are termed as gauchos. G-A-U-C-H-O-S. Gauchos you will be studying in geography. Now 18. Name a nutritious fodder plant that grows in the pampas. Fodder क्या होती है? What is fodder? Fodder is जो हिंदी में आप चारा बोलते हो ना, कैटल्स के लिए जो हम कैटल्स को खाना देते हैं, काऊ को, बफलो को देते हैं, तो द food for cattle is termed as fodder. Now come to 18. Name the grassland called the bread basket of the world. Sorry children. Question number 18, the answer is alfalfa. Now name the grassland called the bread basket of the world. Bread basket means it is very, very fertile, okay, and good for growing crops. So this particular grassland is termed as prairies. Name one herb that blooms in the Eurasian grassland. Herb, the herbs are smallest kind of plant. Okay, so for example आपका grass हो गया, for example तुलसी हो गई, mint हो गए. So these are the examples of herbs. So which herb blooms in Eurasian grassland, children? Trefolis. Okay, so this is it. Now come to the next chapter, that is chapter number after I hope you might have written all the answers in your book. Okay, so let's come to the next chapter. The next chapter is chapter number 23, India in Space and Defense. So India is engaged in new research programs based on space and defense. There are many laboratories and research centers in India. So let's see, let's deal with the laboratories. Let's fill the blanks one by one. Okay, so let's start with the first question, that is question number 1. Now, when was Coast Guard, that is CG, set up as an armed force of the Union? So it was set up in 1978. I hope you all are writing the answers with me. Now come to question number 2. Where is the Defense Research and Development Laboratory located? So it's located in Hyderabad. Question number 3. Name the long range surface to surface ballistic missile of India. So what is that missile called as? That missile is Agni. 4. Which is the medium range battlefield missile of India? The answer is Prithvi. P-R-I-T-H-V-I, Prithvi. Where is the missile test launch site located in Odisha? So it is located in Chandipur, Chandi, Chandipur, Pur, Pur, Chandipur. Question number 6. Which is India's medium range surface to air missile? The answer is Akash. 7th question. What is the explosive charge carried by a missile called? मिसाइल जो एक्सप्लोसिव कैरी करती है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सप्लोसिव चार्ज जो कैरी करते हैं, तो दैट इज टर्म्ड एज वॉर हेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. नेम इंडियाज एंटी टैंक गाइडेड मिसाइल. एंटी टैंक गाइडेड मिसाइल को कौन सी है वो? दैट इज नाग, NAG. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. व्हेन वाज द इंडियन एयरफोर्स established, children? It was established on 8 October 1932. Which inter-service training institution produces future officers of the army? So जब आर्मी की बात आती है तो हमारे ब्रेन में हमारे माइंड में कौन सी चीज़ आती है? NDA. So the answer is NDA, that is National Defense Academy. Now come to question number B. Question number B is all about different research institutions of India. Okay, there are different research centers given. I think there are 10 research centers or laboratory given, and we'll have to just write the location from the clues given above. So the first question is Indian Scientific Satellite Project. Where is it located? It's located in Bangalore. Question number 2. Physical Research Laboratory. Physical Research Laboratory is located in Ahmedabad. 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 Question number 3. Satellite Launch Vehicle Project. So it's located in Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 4. Space Application Center. So Space Application Center is also located in Ahmedabad. So we have many space research institution in Ahmedabad. So first one is Physical Research Laboratory, and second one is Space Application Center. And let's see if we'll have some more institutions in Ahmedabad. Now question number 5. Space Commission. So Space Commission is located in Bangalore. Question number 6. Thamba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Thamba is located in again Thiruvananthapuram. Question number 7. Indian Space Research Organization is located in Bangalore. Question number 8. Propelling Fuel Complex. So Propelling Fuel Complex is located in again Thiruvananthapuram. So question number 9. Vikas Sarabhai Space Center. This is again located in Thiruvananthapuram. And the last question is Propelling Research Laboratory. So Propelling Research Laboratory is again located in Ahmedabad. So we have seen that most of the space research institutions of India, okay, so where are they located? They are either located in Ahmedabad, Bangalore or Thiruvananthapuram. So these three places are the major space research center of space research institutions in India. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. Write all the answers in the blank provided if you haven't written till now, and learn it by heart so that you can perform well in your examination. That's all for today. Thank you, children.